Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in a particular area. In Gurgaon Sector 23, these surveyors are instrumental in providing valuable insights into the groundwater situation. With their expertise and use of advanced technology, they can accurately measure and map the underground water resources in this region. This information is vital for various purposes, including urban planning, agricultural practices, and water management strategies. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a rapidly developing area with a growing population and increasing urbanization. As a result, there is a significant demand for water resources to meet the needs of the residents and various industries. The work of groundwater surveyors in this sector helps in understanding the availability and sustainability of groundwater sources. By conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing the findings, these professionals provide valuable information on the groundwater level, recharge potential, and overall quality of the water in this region. SCON Design is a prominent company specializing in groundwater surveying in Gurgaon Sector 23. Their team of skilled professionals employs state-of-the-art technology and equipment to conduct comprehensive surveys and generate detailed reports. These reports help in identifying potential sources of groundwater, assessing the existing infrastructure, and recommending strategies for sustainable water management. SCON Design's expertise in groundwater surveying makes them a trusted partner for individuals, businesses, and government agencies seeking accurate information on groundwater resources in this sector. Urban planners can use this data to ensure that the development of infrastructure and residential areas does not adversely impact the groundwater table. Determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in a certain location, groundwater surveyors are essential. These surveyors are crucial in offering important insights into the groundwater situation in Gurgaon Sector 23. The subterranean water resources in this area can be precisely measured and mapped thanks to their knowledge and usage of cutting-edge technology. For a number of things, including urban planning, agricultural methods, and water management plans, this information is essential. Sector 23 in Gurgaon is a rapidly rising neighborhood with an increasing amount of urbanization. As a result, there is a high need for water resources to support the requirements of the local populace as well as numerous industry. Understanding the availability and sustainability of groundwater supplies is aided by the work of groundwater surveyors in this field. These experts give important knowledge about the groundwater level, recharge potential, and general water quality in this area by conducting surveys, gathering data, and assessing the results. In Sector 23 of Gurgaon, there is a well-known business called SCON Design that specializes in groundwater surveying. To perform thorough surveys and produce in-depth reports, their team of qualified specialists